Hello everyone. Today, we're presenting the installation demonstration video for Dazuma's modern LED infinity wave chandelier. For your safety and the safety of others, please make sure the relevant area is completely powered off before installing the product. The product package includes one large accessory pack, which contains 5 short fixing screws and 1 small screw accessory pack, screws and screw anchors, 1 remote control for the product, 1 instruction manual, 1 modern LED infinity wave chandelier, Step 1. Remove the fixing screws from both ends of the canopy and set them aside safely. Step 2. Remove the product positioning plate from inside the canopy. Step 3. Stack the 2 lighting systems together. As shown in the video, align all the screws on the 2 lighting systems, then place them together. Step 4. Install 2 of the 5 short screws from the large accessory pack into the holes one by one. Step 5. Secure the 2 holes on the other side, using 2 more of the 5 short screws from the large accessory pack. The assembly and preliminary preparation of the product body are now complete. Step 6. Place the product positioning plate on the ceiling where you plan to install the product. Mark the position and drill the holes. Step 7. Install the 2 screw anchors from the small screw accessory pack into the holes. Step 8. Align the product positioning plate with the screw anchors and place it flush against the ceiling. Then install the 2 long screws from the small screw accessory pack. Step 9. Connect the power wires on the product canopy to the supply wires in your electrical box. Connect the product's blue power wire to your white neutral wire. Connect the product's brown power wire to your black hot wire. Connect the product's yellow power wire to your copper ground wire. Step 10. Place the product canopy flush against the ceiling. Organize the power wires inside the electrical box and the canopy. Reinstall the fixing screws on both ends of the product canopy that were removed in Step 1. The product installation is now complete. Dazuma, your dedicated partner in professional lighting.